How about under the perpetual system? What should be the entry to adjust the merchandise inventory at the end? No entries made because the balance of the merchandise inventory account in the general ledger after posting all the previous journal entries represents the ending inventory. Since this 95,000 pesos merchandise inventory per physical count is the same amount of inventories we would arrive at when we post all the recorded debits and credits to the merchandise inventory account. In other words, listen carefully please. Under the perpetual inventory system, as long as the total cost of the ending inventory per actual or physical count equals the amount of the inventories per record, then there is no adjusting entry to be made for the merchandise inventory at the end of the accounting period. However, in case of any discrepancy per physical count and per record, then an adjusting entry would be necessary. For instance, let's assume that on December 31, the merchandise inventory on hand per physical count amounts to 90,000 pesos instead of 95,000. Of course, in the periodic system, the entry would be a debit to merchandise inventory end and credit to income summary in the amount of 90,000 pesos. Under the perpetual system, since the record shows 95,000 pesos worth of merchandise inventory on December 31, but per physical count, the amount is 90,000 pesos, then the missing inventory of 5,000 must be credited to merchandise inventory account and debited to cost of goods sold when the inventory shortage is the result of normal shrinkage or breakage. However, in case the decrease in the inventory is something abnormal and material in amount, the shortage shall be debited to inventory shortage account and shown as other expense in the income statement or statement of comprehensive income.